At Rashmi Metaliks, durable protection begins with precision. Each ductile iron pipe first undergoes thorough shot blasting, removing rust, scale, and surface impurities while creating the ideal profile for strong coating adhesion. The prepared pipe is then uniformly preheated under controlled conditions. Next, polyurethane coating is applied to the pipe surface, forming a smooth, tough, and highly protective barrier against corrosion, chemicals, abrasion, and demanding service environments. After final inspection and quality approval, the coated ductile iron pipe is ready for dispatch, engineered to deliver strength, durability, and dependable performance in the real world.